Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create seamless pattern wreaths in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. If you haven't watched our previously published lessons, I strongly recommend you to watch them. The video's playlist link is available in the description box. First, I am going to create a vector element. Like this. I am going to group this. Select it and go to Object and Group. When you make pattern wreath, it is important to have the horizontal illustration. So I am going to rotate it. Like this. Now select it and go to Brushes panel. If you don't have the Brushes panel showing up here, go to Window and here Brushes. Now click on New Brush icon. Here select Pattern Brush and click OK. Here you can see how the pattern brush will look. Here you can give a name to your brush. Now we won't need a corner because our brush will be circular. So I am going to select the outer line tile None. Here select the colorization method to Hue Shift. If you leave None, your pattern brush will be in black and white. Click OK. Now select the ellipse tool and create a circle by holding Shift key. Switch the fill and stroke. Now, with the ellipse tool selected, select the brush which we have just created. Here you go. This is our simple hand-drawn floral wreath. And if you will not rotate the illustration horizontally, if you will keep it vertical and then create a new brush, it will be like this. It is also an interesting effect. Now, I am going to show you how to make a complex pattern brush. So again, I am going to create an illustration. all, and I am going to group this. Rotate it horizontally and create a brush. Here you go. You can also change the color. Select the wreath and change the color. This is how you can create seamless pattern wreath. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.